Thank you for your interest in TechUnity. This video presents the TechUnity corporate profile and engagement model. TechUnity is a software product developer and an information technology consultancy. TechUnity specializes in a few key areas, and these are: enterprise systems development, mobile apps development, software QA testing, media graphics, and cybersecurity. In information technology consulting, we formulate and plan the development of next-generation software and systems. We transform technology ideas into working prototypes. We assess and guide the maturity of high-tech companies, and next we facilitate the growth of technology businesses by assisting them to dominate their existing markets and aiding them to enter new verticals. TechUnity is headquartered in Washington, D.C., with development centers in all major technology hubs globally, such as Silicon Valley, New York, Toronto, Canada, London, UK, Berlin, Germany, Tel Aviv, Israel, Bangalore, India, Novosibirsk, Russia, and Shenzhen, China. TechUnity serves numerous industries, including property management, gas utilities, mobile commerce, agriculture and land management, radiology and cancer treatment, water utilities, promotion and event management, country clubs, manufacturing and process control, stadiums and arenas, GIS and geospatial, global retail, camps and internship, real estate, public safety, GPS, auto dealership, telemedicine, heavy equipment, e-learning, legal process serving, advertising and marketing, logistics and distribution, and numerous other industries. Our engagement model enables us to execute work at the client's premises. We are able to execute the work remotely. And also we are able to perform the work at our offshore development centers. TechUnity has the most competitive pricing when compared to other technology providers. Our development's prices for mobile applications starts at $15 per hour. Web-based applications start at $20 an hour. And enterprise cloud-based systems start at $25 an hour. Software QA testing starts at $10 an hour. And QA automation starts at $15 an hour. And our cybersecurity offerings range from $25 to $50 an hour. In addition, clients that engage us with long-term projects are entitled to discounts based on the number of resources engaged. To learn more about our development and consulting, please contact any of our global offices, or reach us directly at 202-747-3443, extension 202. You can also send us an email to info@techunity.com.